Scenario number 2, social exclusion. Colleague A, we didn't think to invite you to the meeting. It wasn't important. Employee feels isolated and excluded from decision making. Healthy response. Employee, I'd like to be included in meetings that affect my work. Can we clarify expectations? And again, my feelings are hurt, right? We didn't think to invite you to the meeting. It wasn't important. Okay, my feelings are important. My feelings are hurt because it is important to my work, right? So now I'm feeling defensive. So I have to be ready for that. I have to know that. My heart might be racing. I might have trouble speaking. I'd like to be included in meetings that affect my work. Can we clarify expectations? That person that said that may have an adverse action to being confronted, to having someone speak up to themselves for saying, I'd like to be included. They may sense that as well. All right. And then, of course, documentation. I'll note this exclusion and raise it with my manager to ensure alignment. So the circle group looks something like colleague A will say, we didn't invite you. It wasn't important. The employee says, I feel excluded from decisions that affect my role. Colleague B says, I hadn't realized the impact. Let's discuss inclusion practices. And the facilitator then says, notice the harm of exclusion. What structures ensure everyone's voice is heard? What does exclusion look like in your workplace? How can teams build habits of inclusion? And what commitments can we make to prevent isolation?